What are you doing? Is there any water left in your water table? Woo! Are you giving yourself a shower? Amelia, where's the water? Oh. Ha. That's one way to stay cool. Where are you going? Are you going to wear your hat now? Nope. You're going to throw it. Okay. More water? You should get your mother wet. Ooh. Got the water? Oh, my. Oh, my. Where's the water? Ooh. Uh-oh. Did you get a mouthful there? Are you okay?
Just like a bathtub.